What up, everybody? I'm the hiking chef, and today I'm in the Angeles National Forest on the Teepee Trail, hiking to this giant teepee in the middle of nowhere. Yes, that's right. I'm hiking to a giant teepee. My true mission of the day is to get to the teepee and show you guys how to make a poke bowl. Super fast, super quick, and on trail. It is so easy to make, so delicious. I can't wait to show you guys this adventure. So let's go check it out. There's actually a couple ways to get up to this teepee. I kind of took the back way up. Right now, I'm looking right over this ridge line and I could see the very top of the teepee. All right, I made it to the top of the hill, and right behind me is the teepee. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to make my famous crab poke bowl. So let's get started. I always like to start off by showing the ingredients first. Today we have edamame, red cabbage, cucumber, shredded carrots, sushi rice, imitation crab, and of course, spicy mayo. Let's get started. First, I open up the rice and place a nice portion right into the bowl. This is our base. It's about 1 cup of rice. Then it's time for the color. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of red cabbage, a 1/4 cup of cucumber, and a 1/4 cup of shredded carrots. Fresh, crunchy, and vibrant. Next up, the protein. Edamame and crab. I'm scooping in the edamame, then topping it with the imitation crab. I'll admit, I added a little extra crab today because hey, that hike worked up an appetite. And now, my favorite part, the spicy mayo. Just a drizzle over the top pulls it all together. A crab poke bowl at the top of Teepee Hill. I cannot wait to eat this. I'm starving right now. It looks delicious. It's super vibrant in colors. You got the edamame, green, purple cabbage, orange carrots, everything you need right here. I can't wait to dive in, so let's try this poke bowl. Wow, this tastes better than I thought. I'm super excited about it. Remember, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more hiking and cooking outdoors, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next episode.